This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, January 21st, 2014. Now our first look at the Zero-Z GFS model run. This is new today. We have the piece of energy that brought the snow yesterday and into last evening, moving into the Appalachians, the southern Appalachians, and into the mid-Atlantic, producing a little bit of a snowstorm over there. Around here, it'll be clearing from south or northwest to southeast, with temperatures struggling in the single digits and lower and middle teens across the area. But as you can see with this northwesterly flow, some snow over North Dakota and Minnesota is going to swing down late tonight and into early on Wednesday. That could bring a dusting, maybe a half an inch at best across the area. But this is going to reinforce the cold air as high pressure, a 1044 millibar high, is going to come sliding down, and it's going to be in eastern Nebraska here Thursday. Thursday morning could be quite cold with highs, or with lows Thursday morning below zero pretty much statewide. Highs single digits and teens. Maybe some areas may not even make it above zero. Winds turn westerly on Friday, and that could warm temperatures up from the mid to upper teens east to maybe near 30 in the west, with another clipper system sort of bypassing us a little bit to the north and east. But it could be close enough Friday night into Saturday that especially the northeastern half of the state could see a bit of snow, maybe an inch or two with that system. But then, as you also can see, the flow still coming out of the north and west, and more cold air is coming down, so this weekend doesn't look much warmer, with highs maybe from about the 10-degree range northeast to maybe 25 south and west, under mainly sunny skies. Sunday and early Monday, another weak clipper system could spit out a flurry or a light snow shower. Nothing much of accumulations with that system, at least at this point. And a week from today, you can see the trough in the east, bit of a ridge in the west, flow still coming straight out of the north and northwest, and with the energy swinging around the base of this fairly big trough, that means we could see another clipper system just to our northwest over the Dakotas up into Saskatchewan, and that could be swinging through by maybe next Wednesday or so at this rate, but still looks quite cold for the next couple of days. In the extended period here on February the 1st, the flow is a little more zonal at this point. Some energy in southern Canada, another piece over the Pacific Northwest, and with this quick moving flow, that's going to keep temperatures fairly stable, but it's also going to start bringing storms from the southwest instead of the northwest, and that means more moisture with the Gulf of Mexico, and that means we could see some more snowfall of a significant factor around that time period. And then at the end of the forecast on the 5th, we have a small piece of energy moving through, still with pretty much a zonal flow. Another piece of energy swinging in to the north and west from Alaska, and that could bring some rain and mountain snow there. Another pretty decent system across the pretty much eastern third of the country that may bring us some snow flurries around, but still looks quite cold for the next 2 weeks or so around here. Satellite image from last evening, you can see the system moving through the eastern part of the state at this point, up over into the Ohio River Valley and into the northeast. Another clipper over Saskatchewan, that'll be diving in about a day or so into our area. The watch warning map from last evening, some wind chill advisories and warnings across the northern tier of the country, especially the Midwest. Winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings from the Ohio Valley eastward into the mid-Atlantic and Northeast. Elsewhere, it's fairly quiet. The QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 6 o'clock, showing any precipitation around here expected to be light from nothing in the west to maybe a tenth or two in the east, heaviest in the Great Lakes and in the mid-Atlantic and Northeast.